Can we come in, sir?
Hey, anybody like to have tea or coffee?
No, thank you. We've just had.
Okay, I have called you here for a purpose. And I'm afraid it may not be very pleasant.
Don't worry. We are quite used to such situations now.
As you know, that CEO, he has issued certain orders. And I understand that as a civilian, you may not take them as orders. But I would also appreciate if you kindly understand them and cooperate in this regard. As you know that we are coming from a cultural and social background where men and women, they do not mix that liberally the way you do. I'm afraid that this difference may create certain imbalances amongst our own youngsters.
But so far we haven't experienced anything bad. In fact, they give us enough respect.
Okay, I understand. But we do believe on strong defense. And in order to avoid any unpleasantness in future, we have to take certain preventive measures. Now, COV has ordered that you will not wear skirts in future. You will have a separate dining hall, and I will try to get you separate TV and VCR for your container. Is it okay?
In other words, we can't enter the officers' mess.
I'm afraid, yes.
So, can we leave now? Thank you. I can't take it like that. I'm going to leave.
Me too. Don't be ridiculous. There's war outside. No jobs are waiting for us.
That doesn't mean that they can use it as our weakness. I think that we have come here to work, not to change our lifestyles.
They've also come here to work, not to change their lifestyles.
Okay, nobody's asking them to. If someone has to change, they should. Why should we change?
Come on, Alma. You're exaggerating it. They don't want us to wear skirts. We will wear jeans. They don't want us to be in officers' mess. We will eat here. We can watch TV here. It's not a big deal.
Maybe not for you, but for me it is.
Okay, then leave it.
You know I can't.